Welcome to this technical guide on the principles and applications of valve-regulated lead acid, or VRLA, battery technology for electrical installations. We will explore VRLA batteries, their internal chemistry, and installation rules. Traditional flooded batteries use liquid acid, requiring water additions and upright installation. VRLA batteries, however, immobilize the acid and use a sealed design, preventing spills and allowing installation in almost any orientation. The sealed system's anatomy includes lead plates, where sulfuric acid reacts with the lead. The electrolyte is immobilized using fiberglass or silica gel. A pressure relief valve regulates internal gas pressure. VRLA batteries utilize an oxygen recombination loop. Oxygen generated during charging migrates to the negative plate, recombines with hydrogen, and creates water. This critical process allows the battery to retain its water supply. The pressure relief valve maintains the sealed integrity under normal conditions. During overcharge, gas builds up, forcing the valve open to release excess pressure and then closes for recovery. Acid immobilization is achieved through two main methods: absorbent glass mat, or AGM, where fiberglass mats absorb the liquid electrolyte, and gel technology, where silica dust mixes with acid to form a thick gel. AGM technology offers low resistance, enabling fast charging and high current output, or high power. The tight packing of the glass mats also provides excellent durability and vibration resistance. Gel cell technology is efficient for deep discharges and offers excellent heat tolerance. It provides stable, long-duration power but requires a slower, highly regulated charge rate. Comparing AGM and gel cells, AGM has faster charge acceptance and excellent vibration resistance. Gel cells have a better cycle life and superior extreme heat tolerance, but are more sensitive to overcharge and are costlier. Critical limitations and hazards include the overcharging risk, which can permanently dry out the battery. Also, high heat can cause thermal runaway, degrading the lifespan. Always use VRLA-compatible chargers. Matching the battery to the application is vital. AGM is suited for standby and high-burst uses like data centers and motorcycles. Gel applications, ideal for deep cycling and hot climates, include solar arrays and marine house power. VRLA batteries typically last 3 to 5 years, with premium lifespan reaching 10 to 20 years under ideal conditions. While maintenance-free, they are not monitor-free. Technicians must manage temperatures and perform periodic voltage checks. VRLA batteries support a closed-loop life cycle. The lead is nearly 100% recoverable, ensuring sustainability. Technicians must responsibly route bulk batteries to licensed recycling providers. The key VRLA installation principles involve chemistry, choice, charge, and environment. Recombination keeps the system safe. Choose between AGM's high bursts and gel's deep cycles. Match the charger to the battery type and manage ambient temperatures to prevent heat damage.